Here's a real quick tutorial on how to use the Snapchat filter that we have available here at Davenport for the next couple of days. When you go to Snapchat, you will first take a picture of either yourself, or you can flip the camera around by clicking on the little double arrow smiley face up in the corner and flip it to the other way so you can take a picture of your kids. So I will take a picture of myself by pressing the big circle button. And then I am going to swipe towards the right a couple of times until I find the Davenport Elementary Rocks Snapchat filter. Once you have your picture the way you want it, you click the little arrow down in the bottom left-hand corner, and that will save that photo to your phone or whatever device you're on. We hope to see you tonight.